Hello, I am going to show you how to use the division box for division. Now, as you know, you can use the standard algorithm for addition and subtraction and multiplication. Sorry, my ear's red. But I'm going to show you, you cannot use it for division. You can use what you call the division box. Now, let me show you how to draw it quickly. You just like a whoop, whoop. So the first equation we're going to do is 295 divided by 8. Simple, right? So just look at that for a second and you're like, how do we do that? First step. We're going to start with the 2, right? This 2, we say 8 goes into 2. How many 2's are in 8? No, I mean, how many 8's are in 2? There's 0, right? You can't, there's not any 8's. If you wanted to put 8's in 2, it could fit 0. So we put 0 on top of the 2. And then we put 0 times 8 is 0, right? And when we put, so we put 2 minus 0. Which is 2, right? And then we bring this number over to here. So that's 29. 29. How many 8's are in 29? Well, I know there's one 8, because 8, another 8, that's 16. Another 8, that's 24. Can we go any higher? No, that's 3 8's. So we put 3 here. And then 3 times 8 is 24. And then we go 29 minus 24, which is 5. And then, so, then we bring that, the next digit. Now that's 55. 55 into 8. Well, we know that 48 is 6 8's, right? And then, so 48, that's 54. That's 9 8's we can put in it. So we put a 9 here. 50, so 9 times 8 is, 8 times 9 is 72, right? Hold on a minute. 50, this is 9. No, sorry. There's only, that's wrong, right? There's only 6 8's, right? Right? Because there's only 6 8's because 6 times 8 is 48. And then 48 plus 6 is 48 plus 8 is 56. That's too high. So it's 6. And then 6 times 8 is 48. So, and 55 minus 48 is 15 minus 8 is, here you can look, is 7. So 7. And so that's 7. Since there's no digits here, we put a 0. And so we put 70. 70. 7. How many 8's are in 70? Well, obviously, we know that 56 is 7 8's. 64 is 8 8's. 72 is 9 8's. So it's only 8 8's. So we put, like to put an arrow. And we put 8. Decimal 8. So that was 36.8. You could erase that 0. But, alright, let's move on to the next one. This is our second one. 1,549 divided by 6. You can see on the little screen below. But that little slash, it means division, in case you didn't know. But let's go on. As you know, we start here. How many 6's can we put in 1? A 0, right? So we put a 0. We don't have to put it there, but we know that 1 minus 0 is 1. So we can actually, so 1 minus 0 equals 1. Simple, right? So then, so we know that, because why did we do 1 minus 0 is 1? 0 times 6 is 0. So then we 1, and then we put the next digit, so that's 5. It's 15. How many 6's are in 15? 2, right? So we put the, then we go 6 times 2 is 12. So 15 minus 12 is 3. 3, how many 6s are in 3? 0, right? No, sorry. So 3, and then we put the next digit, right? Which is a 4. So how many 6s are in 34? Well, we know that 8 times 4 is 32, and that's as far as we can go. So that's, no, never mind. 8 times 4, that's the 8s. So we know that 6 times 6 is 36, but that's too high. So it would be 6 times 5 is 30, so it's 5. And so 5 times 6 is 30, so 34 minus 30 is 4. 4. Okay, and then we know that that's the next digit, so 49. How many 6s are in 49? We know that 7 times 7 is 49, but that we're not doing the 7s. We're doing the 6s. So we know that 6 times 8 is 48, so that's 8 6s. And so 8 times 6 is 48. So we put the 48 here. 49 minus 48 is 1. And there's no digits left, so we put a 0. And how many 6s are in 10? Just 1. So that's 258.1. Now I think we're going to do one last one. Okay? Are you ready? I hope you are, because it's going to be tricky. All right, last. For last, but you did like 1,500 more you're waiting for. You're going to do them, but this is our last one. 26,591 divided by 12. So that looks a little hard, but it'll be easy once we do it. Oh my gosh, my ear is burning. So 2. How many 12s are in 2? 0. Obviously. So 0 times 12 is 0, so 2 minus 0 equals 2. There's a 6 here, 26. So then we go 26. How many 26s are in 12? 2, right? So 2. So 2 times 12 is 24. 26 minus. Alright, that's 26 minus 24 is 2. Okay, then we go on. So then we know. So we know that we had that 2. We put the 6. The next digit is a 5. So we put the 5, and that becomes 25. 25. How many 12s are in 25? 2 again. And so 2 times 12 is 24. So 25 minus 24 equals 1. And so 1 and 9, that's 19. How many 12s are in 19? Just 1. Just 1. There's just 1 in 19, right? So if there's just, that means 1 times 12 is 12. 9 minus 2 is 7. That means there's 7 left. And then 71. Am I right? Yeah. So 71. How many 12s are in 71? Well, we know that there's 5 12s in 60. And 6 12s in 72. But 72 is too big. So we need to do 5. There's only 5. There's 5. And 5 times 12 is 60. So 71 minus 60 is 11, right? Yeah, it's 11. And so 11, oh, that was our last digit, so it's 110. So 110 into 12. Well, we know that 12 times 12, that's too big. 12 times 10 is 120. That's still too big. 12 times 9 is 108. So it's 9. So that is really 2,215 times 9. 2,215.9. Watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.